It's so important to talk a lot about your dreams, right? Out loud, as if they're already real, which I do all the time. Like, I hear myself saying it all the time, like, this is how much money we're gonna make this year. This is how much money we're gonna make next year. And it just starts to become real the more you talk about it, right? So it's in the vernacular. Humans think about the future. It's our privilege, and some of us never do it. We don't create our future. We simply just default our past and lay it on our future. Talk to people like, what's coming up? Well, I'm just trying to get through the day. People say that to me all the time. One of my favorite things to do is have clients write down things they want that they already have, right? Because then you can want from abundance. It feels amazing, right? To want something that you have. It's different from being thankful for it. It's like actively wanting something that you already have. Practicing that is so cool.